This is your correspondent, Dan Blather, here at one of the more illuminating times in the Kavanaugh hearing. Have you ever eaten chicken? Did you say chicken? Well, that does seem like an odd question. Maybe not for this hearing. I was thinking maybe we could order some hamburgers or
The cow did
maybe
nothing to you. You leave the cows alone.
some French
leave
fries.
the cows alone. Eat more chicken. Eat more chicken. Eat more chicken. Chicken.
Now, I don't know if the Kavanaugh hearing has been very illuminating, but I do know that I, Dan Blather, have learned one thing. The level of dumb has reached near epic proportions. I do believe we are seeing an end of rational discourse in our country. This has been Dan Blather.